Hey viewers, you are watching this update and I am Shudha. Hours after the Election Commission of India announced the poll schedule for Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Puducherry, a major reshuffle of officials within the commission has triggered political controversy. The reshuffle involved transfers and positioning and posting of several senior election commission officials, including some who were directly overseeing the preparation for the upcoming assembly elections. While the ECI stated that such changes are part of routine administrative measures, opposition parties, particularly the Trinamool Congress, have raised strong objections, calling the move highly irregular and politically motivated. TMC leaders argued that the reshuffle could affect the impartiality of the election process, particularly in West Bengal, where the party has been power under Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for the past 15 years. Party spokesperson alleged that the changes were designed to favor the ruling BJP and influence voter list, a charge that the Election Commission has denied. The reshuffle comes at a sensitive time as the ECI had recently finalized the poll schedule for 17.4 crore voters across 824 constituencies in the 5 regions. Voting in most areas except West Bengal will be conducted in a single phase with counting scheduled for May 4th. Political analysts say the timing of the reshuffle is unusual and has the potential to intensify election tensions. It coincides with the broader debate in Parliament, where over 190 MPs from opposition parties had recently submitted notice seeking the impeachment of Chief Election Commissioner Ganesh Kumar, alleging irregularities in the Special Intensive Division of Electoral Rolls. The Trinamool Congress has been at forefront of the allegation, claiming that voter lists were manipulated to benefit the BJP. The Election Commission, meanwhile, has maintained that its mandate is to ensure free and fair elections. Officials emphasized that the reshuffle would not disrupt preparation or violate the Model Code of Conduct. The Commission has assured the public and political parties that administrative decisions are routine and do not interfere with electoral impartiality. Despite the assurance, political parties in the affected states have expressed concern and are closely monitoring the situation. Opposition leaders have called for full transparency, insisting that voters must have confidence that elections will be conducted without bias or undue influence. As the election season begins, the reshuffle has already become a political flashpoint, with parties preparing their campaigns while debating the credibility and neutrality of the commission. Observers says the public perception of the ECI's independence could influence voter sentiment in the upcoming polls. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.